All right, we're at Cycle Country. Yes. I'm excited. This is gonna be an awesome window.
I noticed this driving by, and I'm wondering how you did this. It's something applied to the van, but I can't tell what it is.
Yeah, it's made out of polyurethane resin and rubber, and and there's molds. I make molds and then I cast them.
Is there some theme to this? Clown and theater type masks.
Yeah, I love doing the, like on the back, there's the comedy tragedy.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
Yeah, stuff like that.
I like this. People let you in, you can wave to them.
Yeah, I use that to wave at people sometimes.
Okay, risus mos prolato vestri vida. Boy, what's that mean?
It means laughter will lengthen your life, and it's in Latin.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's really my drug, making people laugh.
Well, this is the perfect vehicle for that.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you're entertained. Hey, thanks for letting me interview you. I really appreciate it. You have a good day. Well, the sun is going down. It's about 4:30 and goes down early around these parts. And it's getting colder because it's getting windier too, but I'm doing fine. My hands have held up good. I got gloves, I got thermals on. I'm used to this kind of stuff. I get acclimated pretty quick. Takes me about a week, but bring it on. Bring on the cold. I can handle it. I didn't even break out my propane tank today, my propane heater. It gets really cold, I'll get that baby out. Anyway, I want to get pictures of some of it. I haven't completely finished it. I still got to trim up this holly over here and add some text on this thing, pictures of Santa. But I want to get a picture of the elf on the motorcycle. Gifts that go! So I got that, and I got the snowman getting trounced with a bunch of snow. So they're pretty happy with this. They always let me do what I want, so. But anyway, so that's it for now. Oh, there's more people taking pictures. It's a constant stream all day of people taking pictures of my van and putting them on Facebook. Gotta make them laugh, gotta make them smile. That's what I am here for. That's what Scott Awesome does. Makes people feel good, makes them feel awesome. Okay, the sun's going down, it's getting cold, the wind's starting to blow, but I have to tell you, it's been an awesome day. I'm not just saying, it really has been an awesome day. Okay, I'm doing the John Travolta spin thing. All right, you have a great night. You have an awesome night. Let's get awesome. All right, see you later from Scott Awesome in awesome Salem, Oregon. Heading back to Portland.